Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Dennis the National. So guys, have you ever wondered how Kenyan cities look like? Now this is one Kenyan city that is very unique. Of late it has been on the news for all the good reasons. This city, Kisumu city, is very beautiful, well planned, nice roads, marked. Just look at this. This is amazing and clean and beautiful. You know, the Western world, they always like to showcase Africa like we are dirty, poor, our cities are unsafe to walk, no walkways or everything. Just look at this, beautiful green. Grass is cut short, there are flowers in the middle of the city, trees. Wow, this is so amazing, and I am very proud of those people who are doing this in Kisumu. If it's the governor or the county government or something like that, we have to always give credit where it's due. Just look at this, man. You just walk on the streets and it's beautiful, and there are trees, and the sun is bright, but you can walk under a shade in the middle of the city, and it's very clean. You can't see any waste or anything around. This is just amazing. So guys, the Western world, they like to showcase Africa as very dirty, poor cities. Let's give this video all the likes and subscribe and share. It's time to let them know that Africa, we are rising, we are changing. We decided to do this on our own. We have to show them that in the next 10 years, Africa will be a very beautiful continent to live. And I pray that all Africans in the diaspora can come back and visit our country, see what they are missing, come back, invest in hotels, houses, and everything. So thank you guys for always supporting me and liking my videos. Like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm your boy Dennis the National. Watch the rest of the video and enjoy. You will also see the Kondele Road. Kisumu without Kondele Road is not Kisumu. So enjoy. I didn't get the chance to go by the Lake Victoria, that is. Kisumu is actually located on the shores of Lake Victoria, which is the largest freshwater lake in Africa. So guys, otherwise enjoy the amazing views in Kisumu city. Just look at this. I just decided to walk around the city so that you guys can have to see how beautiful a city has become. Thank you guys.